Finally, wait is over. Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship has been announced by Hungarian government. Last date for apply is 15th of January 2021. So if you want to study in Hungary, avail fully funded scholarship. So today video is for you, and today video I will try my best to cover few important points which make your application more stronger, few mistakes usually when we are committing while applying for that scholarship, and few important information and questions which has been asked by almost all students on my social media platform. So in today's video we will talk about Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship 2021. Point number one is that Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship is fully funded or partially funded. So that scholarship is fully funded scholarship. Master in bachelor student 43,700 forint per month plus 40,000 forint for their accommodation. For PhD students 1,40,000 forint for first 2 years along with 40,000 forint for their accommodation, and last 2 years 1,80,000 forint plus 40,000 forint for their accommodation. The second question, that either it's enough for students to survive in Hungary on that scholarship, on that amount. So answer is yes if you are in a small city like Miskolc, Debrecen, in other city. But if you are in Budapest, maybe it's a bit difficult, but you can find a lot of opportunities there which can cover your expenses and you can start and continue your studies without any hesitations. Almost 5,000 students every year coming to Hungary for their higher studies, bachelor, master and PhD under the umbrella of Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship. The second point is how we search our field and university. Search studyfinder.com, write your field name, university name if you are interested in any particular university, or first search your field and then filter it, and you will find out your desired universities and field. Then look on every individual universities, check their ranking. In coming videos I will try my best to cover these points in which I will show you apply procedure step by step. So stay tuned with Shoaib Speaks. So the second important point is you have to search your field and universities by studyfinder.com. The third important point is nomination criteria. So every individual country has their own criteria. So they nominate few students on behalf of their academic career, CGPA, IELTS score and many other points, and then they send number of students names to the Tempus Foundation, and then they shortlist among those students. There is varying from country to country, like usually HAC, Higher Education of Pakistan, announced that scholarship on 15th of December. So first we have to apply on HAC portal, then on Tempus portal. So that process will be varying from country to country. So make sure you have to check on your higher education website of your country that when they will announce that scholarship. A fourth important point is either we apply without IELTS exam or not. So answer is definitely yes, you can apply without IELTS exam with English proficiency certificate. So I will give you link in Q card, just watch that video and you will get to know that how to make English proficiency certificate. But make sure good score in IELTS exam will increase your chances of nomination. Fifth important point is acceptance letter for PhD student is compulsory or not. So answer is not, but if you have acceptance letter it will increase your chances of nomination. So try to search your desired field, try to search your university, contact with supervisor from now, and I hope so till the end of December or in the beginning of January you will get acceptance letter. So try to apply with acceptance letter, it will increase your chances of nomination. But till the end, like till 15th of January, if you don't have, then you can also apply without having acceptance letter from your university supervisor. The sixth important point is which documents are really important for that scholarship. So your degree in transcript, CGPA, motivational letter. So try to work on your motivational letter, make it related to your field of interest in which you are applying. Also mention few lines related to your second preference university and your CV. So these are the documents which will play a vital role in your nomination criteria. Which mistakes usually we are committing while applying for that scholarship? So first try to search your university, your field of interest, and then write your motivational letter related to that field. And then you have also to relate your bachelor degree to that master degree in which you are applying. Try to put university of your first choice on first preference, on second choice on your second preference. If you are nominated by your first preference, then you are not allowed to go to your second preference university. So try to choose your university in field carefully and put it on first preference and second preference according to your interest. In coming video, I will try my best to cover application procedure step by step on your country portal as well as on Stipendium Hungaricum Tempus portal. Till that time, take care of yourself, stay tuned with Shoaib Speaks, share this video. Allah Hafiz, bye bye.